Okay, I just found the
And
beast.
okay, sorry, this is a no sound challenge. We're in the middle of the round. Sorry, guys. We accidentally did not do the video when we started the round.
Yeah,
So
accident.
we're just in the middle of this round. I promise we'll do another few rounds, like 2 more, because this was supposed to be our first round. But we're getting it ready. By the way, this is Flee the Facility, if you didn't know. And
Please subscribe.
yes, subscribe, please. We are new. I better not fail the computer. DJ, how are you
So,
doing?
I'm good. I'm just trying to I just seen the beast.
Oh,
Sorry
I
for
haven't seen
our
the beast
bad.
at all. I'm
Sorry
in the
for
middle. Oh no,
the
I got
bad
my computer
editing.
wrong. Uh-oh.
Oh no. But sorry for the bad editing that we have.
Yeah.
It's really, really bad.
Yeah.
I only know how to edit like
Okay.
lyric videos.
Oh my god, find an exit. Let's go, 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 go. Oh, I'm not saving you. Sorry, never mind, guys.
I'm sorry. We're so sorry. We just can't go back.
We would have if we had more than one computer left.
But
no.
we
Don't
don't.
back up a bit because you're like pushing me out, and when you push me, it'll make me stop, and then we'll get a bigger chance of dying. Okay, well, I escaped. There we go. Sorry.
Sorry, we
I
had
feel
to
bad
escape
for the
without
I
you.
feel bad for the peoples.
Mhm.
He had to die. I'm sorry. I had to escape. Next time we're saving our friends. There's no way.
Yeah.
No matter who is beast, we got to go save our friends.
Yes, we do.
If they die, rip. I feel bad. I don't want to be beast, but I do, because beast is like fun, but I don't want to hurt people's feelings. We usually don't kill each other though.
Go on this one. I like this one. Morty.
Okay. The girl who died sent me a friend request. Should I or should I not?
Same.
Should I?
I'm gonna delete. I mean, not delete, but I'm just gonna wait
Let
until
it
it goes
sit.
away.
Okay. It's sit. Guys,
Totally
by the
big
way,
fan of us.
if you want to follow us on Roblox, you can go follow Dynamic JPlayGirl90, and I'm Dynamic Morky Lover 10. Sorry if we don't accept some of your friend requests, because we can't get to all.
Roblox has
We
max
can't get to all of
of
you, but
numbers.
we can either follow you or you can follow us.
Or just join your games and surprise you. Oh.
Who's beast? Who's beast? Who's beast? I found a computer in the gym.
Well, I just got launched out of the map.
Oh my.
And I'm a survivor.
Yeah, I can see that. I'm hacking a computer in the gym.
Well, I'm in that jail cell place.
Oh, the middle room, you mean? Oh,
Yeah.
I know where you are. Yeah.
I'm just gonna get out of it. I don't want to be there.
Wait, is there a computer in there?
No, there's no computer.
Go to the gym.
Okay. There's normally always a computer in the jail place, the main room.
Yeah. You can just
Who
call
is
it the
getting
middle
their
room.
computer wrong?
DJ, you can just call it the middle room.
Who is getting their computer wrong?
I don't know. It's not me, because I'm in the gym getting it right. And I'm scared for my life. By the way, if you guys didn't know what Flee the Facility is, it's a game in Roblox, as you should know, but there is a beast who's trying to capture you.
We're about
DJ,
to die.
after we're done, we'll show them what you can get frozen. They're not in here, but they're little blue tubes that you can get frozen.
That scared me.
You can't go through the door.
Me.
No. Jocelyn, I can't get through the door.
Why? It's not a door.
Oh, whatever it is. She got a friend.
No,
afraid. Oh, see, that is what you get
Yes.
frozen.
Yes.
You do not want to get put in there. You do not. Because some people do go save you, some don't. If they don't, then yeah.
You almost got
Oh,
my.
look, it's a failed computer. It's halfway. If we get it wrong, just go under the table and hide. Hey, you just took me out of my spot. Is that just so you can be in the table quicker? Oh, looky there. It's a girl. She's gonna lead the beast to us.
Yo, I did not fail it.
I didn't either. I did it right. Okay, go,
Well,
go, go,
hide
go,
under
go,
here. Go.
I'm going through the
We're
window.
I'm going under.
No, I can't. I don't got enough space to. Okay, I got under. There's no way you're getting us out of here. She can't. She's guarding you, but not me.
He's like struggling.
Like, hello, just let us be. Go find our friend. Sorry. We'll come save the friend, though.
Well, our friend is under there too.
But, like, try, like, our friend...
Hi, doggy.
Oh, no, she's stepping on my table. Okay.
Hi, baby. Hi, little doggy. Say cheese. Hi, little squeaky head.
Help, please. Oh, my God. These people need help. But from the other one...
I
I
want to call my dog.
Oh, my God. This is scary. I can go out my hole, but it's going to be risky.
This
My
lady
hole
trying
is
to
right
get me.
next to the contraption where I can get froze.
Mine is so near the window.
Should we go out our exits and meet up? She's at the door. She's faster than us both, though. I'm gonna risk it. Should I?
I'm just gonna wait here.
She's like purposely leaving. No. She's going to my hole. I can't go out my hole anymore. Come on, we need to get the last computer.
She's like trying to get me, but she's like.
Somebody risk it. Oh no. She's leaving. She gonna come back. You know that, right? They all come back. Come on. While we still have the chance.
Okay, fine. I am gonna go out my window. Oh, never mind. She's blocking it.
Nope, never mind. She's coming to my hole. Come on, we just gotta
She's
wait.
making sure we don't escape.
She purposely closed the door so if she sees us, she can hurry and hop through before we get the door open. And plus, some people can actually shut the door quicker than others, and I can't even shut my door. So that would be risky on me. Did the other girl leave her hole? Oh, there's 2 holes. Okay. Did the other girl leave under her table?
What?
Did the other girl leave her table? Come on. Come near me. Other hole. Dynamic.
Oh, I never ever seen that. I thought I saw the beast.
Get out of the hole. Quiet. Get up. Oh, there's an exit, guys. Come on, kitchen. Oh, go. Oh, we're right next to an exit. I'm opening it. Opening it my fastest. Come on, get out of the kitchen. Get out of the kitchen. I'm with the friend. I escaped. Get out of the kitchen. Where are you? There. You finally escaped, DJ. Why? Okay, I'm gonna buy me another gem because my first one looks like doo-doo. And I don't want a doo-doo one. Bye.
It's so funny.
Really? I got a second doo-doo. They just want me to have it. I can't stop getting a doo-doo one. I didn't want doo-doo though. I really didn't. Doo-doo wasn't fair. I didn't want another doo-doo.
It's fair.
No, it's not. Now I need to get rid of these both. That's literally the only color I have is the default and the doo-doos.
Alright, what colors do you have?
Default red and 2 doo-doos. That's all.
I have, for my hammers, I have a strange element, sky pixel, caution, pink and purple. Then my gemstones, I have default, sunset, blank, moon,
I
green,
think we
pink,
all
and
start
black.
out with the defaults. We all do. So I don't need to
I
know.
know. Just wanted to
Sorry
tell.
guys, sooner or later I'm not gonna be a noob anymore. I'm gonna get some stuff, but I'm just gonna like get my clothes different. I'm fine with my hair, and plus we're getting some special game passes that we really love.
Yeah, but like, I'm gonna be using the money for like the editing thing.
She's gonna get more, yeah, but when she does get Robux, she's gonna get more than me. I'm only gonna get 400 though, but I think I'm fine though. Okay, there's no computers here really. Oh.
Because the first thing I'm just gonna use for the editing, and
I'm like
yeah.
crawling on the floor for no reason now.
Where are you?
Oh, I found a computer with Korokis.
Where are you?
I don't know where I am. I'm with Korokis.
Okay, but where are you?
In some kind of room. I don't know what it looks like. She
What
got the
is-
computer wrong. That's where I am.
Surprise attack.
She keeps on getting it wrong. I get it right. Beast
I
is
just got here.
The beast is right there. No, don't go out. Beast is right there. Come on. Go out the window, you guys. This way. Come with me.
I know.
We gotta find a hole. Gotta find a hole. Gotta find a hole. Gotta find a hall. Oh, I said a hall. Well, I'm pretty sure we're all in halls. No, there's no computer here.
Let's get in a hole. No, hole.
That's don't have a computer. I know that. Come on, open this door. Get out, get out, get out. Go, 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 go.
What was that sound that you made?
Oh my god, 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 oh my
I'm
god.
running.
Me too.
I'm scared. I'm so scared. I think you went for the bacon here.
I found a computer though. Oh, yeah, I'm right here.
I'm gonna hide in this locker.
I'm glad that you don't have your moons anymore. Cause
Yeah, I had these moons and like every
Because
time
we
they
like
get
stuck
popped up.
out and gave away our hiding spot all the time. Come on. Hack the computer now,
So I had
now,
to
now,
like
now,
use
now,
this
now.
cute little hat.
The cat is adorable. My old account doesn't work anymore, guys, but I still look the same, just my shirt was different.
Yeah, it was like a really expensive shirt.
Real expensive. Like,
And she-
it
and
was
she
like
had some
25
Game Passes.
Robux. And I
And
only
then she
had
had some
25
Game
left.
Passes.
So I used 25 on Bloxburg, which I don't have that anymore, which I'm pretty sad though.
And then she bought Game Passes on like a different
Yeah.
game.
Okay, come on. Hey, where are we going? What way? Open the door. Open the door for me. Your tail was sticking through my leg. It looked like I had a cotton ball on my leg.
Yeah, you all got stuck on the door.
Your tail, the white part of your tail, made it look like I had a cotton ball stuck to my leg. That's-
Look, I love my tail. It's precious.
I know. I like it too. Just. Okay, do you think when I get Robux, I can get it? Should I buy the game passes first and then buy the accessories?
Yes, I just had a Instagram pop-up thing notification.
Okay. Oh my god, there's one more round after this round. Oh no.
Did you just get it wrong?
It didn't pop up. I'm sorry, okay?
Okay.
One more round after this round and then it will be the end of the video.
Dog just woke up.
Oh, and by the way, subscribe. Oh no. It didn't pop up again.
You just don't hack. I'll do it.
There we go.
Now I can escape.
Wait, where are you going?
Oh, here, there's the closest exit. Yeah, let's go over here. There's a hole.
Oh my god, this is so scary though because it pops up at any of the two exits. It like Here, I'll watch out. Oh my god. There. Oh, I thought that lady was the beast. She's not.
Same.
Wait, the beast always follows her. Oh no. She's gonna lead the beast to us. She did! She did! She did though! She led the beast right to us. This is why she should have went into the other exit. She led it right to us. Oh my god. Look, she's climbing the wall.
Spider-Man. She's Spider-Man.
No, remember the other day? I kept on crawling up and down the wall because my character continued to do it when I was trying not to.
No,
Sorry, guys.
Spider-Man. How do you make your new
Spider-Woman.
movie? Like, he's doing it. Ew, I used to, like, I just...
I'm
think
standing
it's
on a
right
tree. I'm waiting
before.
for you. Standing on a tree.
Where?
I'm jumping. I'm jumping. I'm jumping. I'm jumping. I'm jumping. You don't see me? You don't see me? You don't see me? Do you not see me? So I think you're blind. You didn't see me at first. Look, there's the old beast. The lady literally led her right to us. I'm like, the lady tried to push me towards the beast. I'm like, no. I was like, yep. I'm out the door. Bye. I'm not doing that. I don't care. I'll save my teammates. Just if I get killed, it's not my fault they got hit and I tried to save them. We usually are just too afraid to risk our life, so we don't.
Yeah.
And we like save each other's lives and stuff. But right now, we sort of do need them. This is gonna be the last round.
I guess on the beast.
Save me for last. Save me
I was
for
gonna
last.
say.
I haven't
I
been
was
beast for
gonna
a long time.
I was gonna say I really forgot my Instagram username. Like I forgot it.
By the way, we have TikTok.
TikTok is like the best app.
My
Well,
name,
not really, but like
my name is Raki. If you didn't know that, RACKY.
and then there. Is that all yours? It says Rocky.
Sorry,
Mine is dog_swirl.
I should change my name soon.
Yeah, you should. Like it feels like. You
In
should
the
be like
next
something
video,
else.
guys, I'll give you the new name. Okay?
Yeah. I really thought I was just like an innocent person. I just skipped a person. I'm so stupid.
Wow. Oh, I haven't seen a computer anywhere.
Where'd she go? This lady crazy.
Remember, save me for last. Oh, I found a computer. Finally! Yay. Here we go. I'm hacking it. Whoa, my person's standing on the computer doing some leg stretches while hacking. I'll just let her continue to do it. Oh no, I got my computer wrong. Yeah, well that sucked. Didn't it? Don't come after me till I'm last. Do-do-do-da-dee-da-dee.
This person thought that he could hide. I just stepped on him.
No, I need to go save him, but I don't. No. In the middle of hacking a computer, though. Frick. Oh, frick. Come on, best of whatever your name is right there. Please, go save him or her. Either gender of it. Please.
To him.
Oh. I didn't know what gender. DJ, okay, I didn't know what gender, DJ. And I'm done. Did anybody save him?
No, not yet. I just passed it.
You know it's not popping up on my screen where he is, though. No, you gotta save me for last. Save me for last, please. I want to save him, but I don't. Can I? But you can't.
Someone.
Come on. I saved the guy, though. I'm sorry, okay? I need teammates. But you can get him again because he's basically dead, and I'm not saving him again. Come on.
Jarvis is trapped.
Do I gotta go all the way back over there to them? No, I'm not. Don't you kill me.
What is that one guy?
No, please don't. No, please. Let me save her, please. Can we hack computers right now?
Save her, but let me kill this guy because I don't want him.
I'll tell you when you can kill her. No, she's going to save him.
Oh, he's dead.
No,
I need to
don't
like
you
do
dare.
some arm stretching because like my arms are like hurting.
She's like just waiting
so
there,
bad.
like, come on, girl. No, I'm stuck, Jocelyn, help me. Help me, but just don't drag me out. Like, you
What
drag
happened?
me out, but you just...
Oh god.
Sorry, guys, about that. Here, you can look at my hair. Oh, okay. Okay, let me go.
Look at your hair.
Let me go. I want to be free. I want to...
How is the game over?
Everybody left, I guess. But I didn't leave. I don't know how... Oh, I don't know.
Do I just kill you?
No.
Oh, that's
By the way, that's the end of the video. Thank you.